Hi everyone, welcome to this video series on the complete order process in Bagisto Multi-Vendor Marketplace. In this video, I will guide you through each step, including invoice creation, shipment, and order cancellation. First, you need to log in to your seller account. Click on the Seller Login button and then click on Orders. Next, click on the arrow button. To create an invoice, click on the Invoice button. Review all the details carefully and then click on the Create Invoice button. Once the invoice is generated, the order status changes to processing. To create a shipment, click on the Ship button. Enter the carrier title and tracking ID. Select the product order sources, then click on the Create Shipment button. Once the shipment is created successfully, the status changes to Complete. If needed, the seller can cancel an order before generating an invoice or shipment. To cancel an order, select the order you want to cancel. Click on the Cancel button, then click on Agree. The order will be canceled successfully and the status will change to Canceled. Thank you.